Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up live transcribe function shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our live transcribe function and how to set up a shortcut. We need to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options, next hearing enhancements, and at the top we have live transcribe. To set up a shortcut, we can simply tap this window here, and we can also change our shortcut. Right now it's here, as you can see, live transcribe, but we can also use our button press if we want. So let's see if it's working. Live transcribe. Hello. As you can see, our shortcut is working. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.